Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to track changes in Google Docs. So for example, if you would like to track it, you need to change mode from editing to suggesting. It will let you to edits become suggestions. So I click on it and now I am in suggesting mode. So for example, I will delete this text and after that suggestions will be successfully displayed here. I will change the style maybe of this text. For example, I will add here a bold effect. And how you see, we get here this information format bold font. It is another suggestion. And here maybe I will add a simple text. For example, it is simple text. And I will click somewhere here. And how you see, another suggestion has been successfully added here. If you would like to share this document and let another person to add suggestions, you need to go to share and you need to type here an email of the person. It is very important to change the role of this person. I recommend you to change it from editor to commenter. It is very important to do it. And after that, you need to click send button. So in this way, you can easily track changes in Google Docs. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.